Hey folks, we are here back in New Harbour Village 2. Big up to all of Old Harbour. Thank you so much. All you guys who have signed up, thank you so much for signing up. And all you guys who have not signed up as yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, smash that sign up button. You might see a link somewhere here in the description. Go ahead, join us today. Have us ship your items from overseas, and you're gonna get them delivered to your doorsteps here in Jamaica. Right now we're in Old Harbour, New Harbour Village. Google, stop my people know something. People, I like share, tell me, know where me I go. Anyways guys, we're here on the delivery trail today. It's a beautiful Tuesday morning. And I was saying guys, go ahead, smash that button to sign up. If you have not signed up yet, what are you waiting for? You are going to get a free shipping coupon for your first item that you ship with us under £5. You pay no shipping for it. You can try us risk-free. Yes and buy. Also, as a member, when you sign up, you are going to be a part of our Platinum Club. All you need to do is click free shipping when you log into your dashboard. And we're going to give you 4 free shipping coupons per year. You hear me right? 4 free shipping coupons per year. So go ahead guys, join us today. So you can ship your items to Jamaica and get them delivered to your doorstep. You don't want to save precious time. Why you want to spend your time going to a shipper to pick up your item? Why not get them delivered to your doorstep? That not so nice. Save your precious time, energy and money. Yeah? Alright guys, go ahead, smash that button. I am glad you're here with us on the delivery trail. You need to sign up today to get your free shipping. Alright guys? Alright, follow me on the delivery trail, alright? Let's go!